Welcome back to our gardening channel. In this video, we're going to talk about indoor vegetable gardens, a perfect solution for those with limited space. Let's start with green onions. These can thrive indoors near a bright window. Similar to green onions, garlic can be harvested for both greens and bulbs right from your home. Tomatoes, especially cherry tomatoes, can flourish in pots if you have a south-facing window. Sweet potatoes can be easily propagated on your kitchen windowsill using glass jars and water. Ginger can be cultivated indoors in filtered sunlight. It's completely edible and used in various recipes. Lettuce is perfect for indoor cultivation. It can easily grow on a salad table and moved on the balcony for sunlight. Eggplants can be nurtured indoors if you've got an open room that is sunny and warm. Mint thrives indoors by providing at least 3 to 4 hours of direct sunlight. Celery can be regenerated from scraps. Place the 2-inch stump in water or a small amount of potting soil, root side down. If you're short on space, herbs can be grown on or by the windowsill in small pots for a window herb garden. Edibles can be nurtured indoors on a small windowsill, tabletop, or balcony in water. And why limit ourselves to vegetables? Mushrooms can also be grown indoors. They don't need much light to thrive, and you can harvest them in just 2 to 3 weeks. If you found this video helpful and enjoyed it, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more gardening insights and inspiration. Happy gardening!